Y'all, we're gonna do some Woodfire grilled chicken wings on our Woodfire grill. You guys don't want to miss this one. Now, I saw a new way of doing chicken wings, kind of making it like you're eating it like a rib almost. And that's by skewering the chicken wing, like so you open it up and then you skewer it all the way through it, so it's a nice long flat wing. Not entirely sure the reasoning for it, but I saw it on social media, TikTok or some crap like that, probably at 3 a.m. when I couldn't sleep. Anyway, so I decided to give it a try. We're gonna see if it makes a big difference or not, as opposed to just doing chicken wings. Probably a better grill marks on there since it's flat, but other than that, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But hey, it gives me an excuse to make some wings. Super Bowl's coming up. You know there ain't nothing better on Super Bowl than some wings. We're gonna use a little sweet heat combination on these wings. We got some KosmosQ sweet honey pecan, and I'm gonna come back to that in a hot second. And then we got some honey chipotle killer bee rub from KosmosQ. So when they're done grilling, we're gonna put a little hot honey on it. We got that sweet, we got that heat, right? And why are we using the pecan rub? Well, we're gonna use Smokin Pecan pellets on the cook, right? Now, these pellets are 100% natural. They're made from pecan shells. And that produces a great flavored smoke, a clean smoke, and a lot of that smoke, okay? Now, I've used this before, and I always wanna tell you which pellets I'm using. That's like, seems to be the first question in all my videos or all the, the group posts I do. So Smokin Pecan pellets, they're gonna work perfectly on these wings. They're gonna add a beautiful flavor to the sweet heat combination we're going on them wings. They're gonna get a nice char on them because we're gonna set it on grill setting with that wood flavor button, right? The wood flavor technology button, right? That we all love about our Ninja Woodfire Grill. So what I did to prepare these wings is we took some metal skewers, started at the flapper end of the wing, if you will, straightened it out, shoved that skewer in the flapper, went through the flat and into the drum. So we kept it nice and straight. I do want to say, be careful, okay? You have to hold the wing in one hand and shove that skewer in with the other. So it's dangerous. I may have accidentally stabbed myself, maybe not. Who knows? I ain't gonna put it on here and let you see that. But just be careful when you're putting those skewers in. I sprayed them all down with a little bit of avocado oil. It's gonna help with the barbecue rub sticking on it. It's also gonna help brown up the chicken wings. All right, give them a nice tan to go with those grill stripes, right? And then I seasoned them up with a little light coat of that honey chipotle killer bee, and then came on with a little bit of a heavier coat of the sweet honey pecan. So we got a lot of flavors building. They've been sitting for about a half hour while I kind of prepped everything. So I got a nice little marinade on there with the rubs. Nothing left to do, but let's get this thing fired up. I can't wait to try these wings. Turn it on. Hello, how you doing? I'm doing well. We got our grill grate in there. We're gonna go ahead and turn this to high. 10 minutes, I think we should go, let's go 30. It won't take that long, but just to have it. Wood fire flavor button, and then hit start. Okay, while that's coming up, you're gonna let it go through the ignition process and the preheat of the grill plate. So you got a little bit of time to kill. Real quick on those Smokin Pecan pellets, I forgot to say that I'll put a link down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, but if you click on that link, it'll give you a chance to see what I'm talking about. Color of these pellets are unlike any of the other pellets you'll see. You can tell that these are all natural. They don't look as dry as the other pellets. You can see that they're made from some pressed pecan shells, okay? So they're really good pellets to work with. I really enjoy the flavor that they provide and the smoke that they provide. Let's let this come up to temp, and we'll get our wings on. It's saying add food. Woo! Look at that smoke. Let's get these birdie parts on. Okay. Oh yeah, that's that sizzle we want. We're doing skin side down. We're gonna do 4 on one side, 4 on the other. We're gonna space them out so we can put the skewers on. All right, the wings are lined up. And I like to say, chorus line of flavor. Let's get this bad boy shut down. So we're gonna give these about 5 minutes on the one side, take a look at them, give them a flip. We're gonna check our internal temps on these wings. We're gonna use our Lightning Instant Read thermometer. Guys, you know I swear by my Lightning and my temp spikes from ThermoPro. So if you wanna get one, grab the link down below. That one is an affiliate link. It will save you some cash with my discount code, and you know what? It helps out the channel. All right, we're gonna take these wings to about 180 or so, maybe a little bit more. Wings are very forgiving, and I tend to overcook my wings on purpose because it, leads to a nice, more tender wing. But we also don't want to like burn these bad boys either. So you're gonna keep an eye on it. Every 5 minutes, we'll check, flip, all that good stuff. See you in about 5 minutes. Well, it'll be like that for you. All right, guys. Whew. We let them go a little bit longer than 5 minutes. Kind of got distracted. It's all right though. Let's give them a flip. Ooh, look at those nice char marks. Yeah. It's tough to turn these over. These skewers are not the easiest. And they're hot, so be careful. All right, we're all flipped over. Got some great color on them. It's probably another 5 minutes and we'll be good to go. Go ahead and take some Tims. Yeah, 160, 168, 145. All right, we still got some time. I think another 5 minutes will get us right where we want to be though. Our wings are looking fire. Sorry, got neighbors doing some construction back there. But that's some gorgeous color right there. Look at that. Let's give them a quick temp check. Oh yeah, we're over 190. These bad boys are ready to roll. Okay, we're gonna get these off, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, time to add a little Mike's Hot Honey to it. Sweet, spicy, sticky, let's go. Take a bite. I guess having a little skewer here helps make a little handle. All right, let's get into it. Woo. Oh, that's good. Let's turn it this way. Dude, that is the definition of finger looking good, baby. That sweet, that heat, that hot honey gets you right there. You know, that Chipotle killer bee, right? And that wonderful pecan flavor. Smoky, sweet, savory, spicy, all the flavors of the barbecue rainbow right there, baby. Oh, so damn good. Guys, do this, okay? You need to put the skewers in? Not really, okay? You could cook the wings the same way, just without the skewers, but they look kind of cool. I guess that's, those social media fads. So, go for it, don't go for it, I don't care. But do your wings this way. Grill it, wood fire flavor, makes all the difference in the world. You get that nice char on there. It's just tons and tons of flavor. If you guys want to get one of these Woodfire grills or anything I use in my videos, I'll have links down below. They don't cost you anything to use them, but they help out your boy. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that know you got to have wings at your Super Bowl party, and these are the wings to bring. There are 2 ways to join up. Either you hit that link down below to my Patreon, or click that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now, right? But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.